Hello. Did you know that many English words are understood as they are in Japan? This time, I'd like to introduce how you can have a conversation using only English words in a situation like buying a traditional Japanese souvenir at a souvenir shop in Japan. By learning some useful phrases, you can enjoy shopping in Japan even more. By the way, the Japanese word for souvenir is omiyage. Now, let's start by introducing some loanwords, cognates, and international words that are commonly understood in Japan. These words will be easily recognized in Japanese stores. T-shirt, fan, chopsticks, sake, candy, chocolate, figure, goods. No problem. How much? Receipt. Pack. Bag. Discount. Small. Big. Beautiful. Cute. Delicious. In Japan, simple English is often understood if you speak slowly. Even just using basic English words, you can still go shopping. If you add some gestures, your shopping experience will go even more smoothly. Next, let's look at some common phrases that Japanese shop staff might say to you in a souvenir shop. Understanding their meanings will help you shop with confidence. Irashaimase. Nani ka o sagashi desu ka? Go yukuri douzo. Purezento yo desu ka? Otameshi dekimasu yo. Kochira, senen desu. Oshiharai wa genkin no mi desu. Otsuri wa hyakuen desu. Kochira wa ninki shouin desu. Ohitotsui kaga desu ka? Kono shouhin wa shoumikigen ga mijikai no de, ohayame ni omeshiagari kudasai. Fukuroni oireshimasu ka? Hoso shimasu ka? Kochira, waremono nano de okiotsuke kudasai. As you can see, Japanese shop staff speak to customers politely. Next, let's look at how you can respond to these phrases using only English words.
Irashaimase, nani ka o sagashi desu ka?
Omiyage, Japan style, arimasu ka?
Kochira, ninki desu yo.
Ii desu ne, ikura desu ka?
Kochira, zeikomi de, senen desu.
Genkin de.
Fukuroni oireshimasu ka?
Bag please.
Kochira, waremono nano de okiotsuke kudasai.
Okay, arigato.
Arigatou gozaimashita.
Bye bye. Finally, let's introduce some useful Japanese words to remember when shopping. Especially, learning the names of traditional Japanese souvenirs will help make your conversation smoother. Kore, kudasai. Ikura desu ka? Tamesemasu ka? Yasui desu ne. Takai desu ne. Hokanoiro wa arimasu ka? Ookii saizu wa arimasu ka? Chii sai saizu wa arimasu ka? Mou sukoshi kanga amasu. Wagashi. Matcha. Senbei. Youkan. Daruma. Manekineko. Furoshiki. Shodou setto. Tenugui. Sensu. Yukata. Hashi. Nihonshu. Fuurin. Origami. Kimono. Yukata. Wasabi. Finally, when choosing souvenirs, it's helpful to know some unique Japanese customs and cultural points. For example, Japanese souvenirs are popular worldwide. And the following items are especially well received. First, matcha-related products are a favorite. The matcha-flavored Kit Kat, a chocolate snack, is extremely popular. Next, wagashi, traditional Japanese sweets, are known for their beautiful appearance. Their elegant packaging also adds to their appeal. Sake and sake cups are also in high demand. Japan offers many delicious varieties of sake, often with stylish and artistic designs. Another popular item is the furoshiki, a reusable wrapping cloth. It's an eco-friendly souvenir that can be used again and again. Chopsticks are also a great choice. Personalized chopsticks with engraved names are especially popular. Additionally, Maneki Neko beckoning cat and daruma are well-loved souvenirs. Both are considered lucky charms in Japan and are adored for their cute designs. Lastly, sensu folding fans are highly sought after. They are practical and come in many beautiful designs. When you visit Japan, be sure to check out these souvenirs. So, how was this guide? Today, we introduced how to shop at Japanese souvenir stores using only English words. Many English words are understood in Japan, so you can travel with confidence. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. Also, if you have requests like, I want to learn Japanese, feel free to leave a comment. See you next time, bye bye.